On stall.
Хорошо. So, you're British. MI6? Probably MI6. So tell me, MI6, what is your name?
Bond. Chemical Bond.
Mr. Bond. My name is Ivan Sergeyevich Vladimirov. I will be being interrogating you today. So tell me, Mr. Bond, what were you doing wandering around our chemical weapons facility? You don't waste time. You do what?
Alright, fine. I'll talk. I'm here to save an American scientist. His name is Michael Spangler, and you've taken him hostage.
Oh? You mean him? Go on, Michael. Tell him what you were going to tell him.
He wants to know how the new valence rocket works.
Well, then inform him about the Red Army's magnificent scientific capabilities.
I'm going to get you out of here, Michael.
It all has to do with reactivity. Look here. There are different families of elements. The alkali metals here, alkaline earth metals here, transition metals here, the trials, the tetrals, pnictogens, chalcogens, halogens, and noble gases. Elements can be really reactive depending on where they are in the table. Elements hold their electrons in subshells. Families are alike because in their outermost shell, the valence shell, they have equal number of electrons. The valence shell is the most important shell because when elements come together to make compounds, their electrons on their valence shells equalize charge.
What is this traitorous Western word? I don't know it.
It's the energy in that depends when it does not have equal numbers of electrons and protons. Even I know that, boss.
Shut up, Dmitri. I pay you to be intimidating, not to do science. Keep talking.
Elements are reactive depending on how many electrons are in the shell. The closer to 0 or 8, the more reactive. So alkali metals and halogens are very reactive because they have 1 or 7 respectively. 1 to 4 electrons means that the element wants to be a cation, to lose electrons to reach 0. 5 to 7 are anions. They want to gain electrons to reach 8. Noble gases have 8, which gives them a neutral charge. They are inert, so they don't react with anything. It is much easier for elements to make compounds when their combined valence electrons add up to 8. The more reactive the elements in the compound, the more energy that will be released when they have come together.
I understand, but what does electron reactivity have to do with the missiles?
We found a huge deposit of cesium, one of the most reactive alkali metals. In the peak of each rocket will go 200 grams of compressed cesium, separated from water by thick glass. On impact, the glass will shatter. Just like when my babushka went fishing with hand grenades. It will go boom!
Michael explained to me that in a reaction, cesium will replace hydrogen in a replacement reaction. And hydrogen will ignite because it is superheated. As my colleague said, it will go boom. Interesting, Dad. Sadly, Mr. Bond, you won't be able to tell anyone about it.
You expect me to beg?
No, Mr. Bond. I expect you to die. Его застрелят. Скажите мне на конце.
До свидания.